Google Docs is a free online writing tool. You can type assignments, save automatically, and even work with classmates in real time. Let's learn the basics step by step. Open Google Docs. Click blank to start from scratch, or choose a template like a report. For schoolwork, report, or essay-style layouts help a lot. These templates provide the structure you need so you can focus on your writing. Click the title at the top and name it something clear, like English Essay, Term 1, or Science Report, Photosynthesis. Google Docs saves automatically so you don't lose your work. Now format your assignment. Use the toolbar to change font size and bold headings. Don't forget to add proper spacing to keep things organized. A quick tip: use headings for titles and sections. It makes your work easier to read. It helps your teacher stay organized while grading your awesome work. To add pictures, go to Insert then Image. It's that simple. To add sources, use Insert then Link to reference your websites. This is great for projects, research, or adding reference websites for your bibliography. If you're working with classmates, click the big blue Share button. Choose Viewer to read, Commenter to give feedback, or Editor to change text. You can also highlight a sentence and add a comment for your team. Switch to Suggesting mode so your edits don't overwrite the original text. Before submitting, go to Tools, then Spelling and Grammar to check mistakes. Then, go to Tools and Word Count to make sure you meet the required length. When you're ready to submit, go to File and choose Download. Choose PDF or Word document. PDF is often best for consistent formatting. And that's how you use Google Docs for school. It's that easy. If you want more beginner tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.